Hi, it's Addison here, and today we are going to open a February holo pack with my dad. You ready?
Ready. All right, reach in. Grab one. Just pull one in. There you go. Ooh, start with the exclusive.
I see what it says.
All right, so what do we got?
Rave.
Rave. Awesome. All right, grab another. And what do we got?
3, 2.
The gift.
Of the gift.
A gift from Horror Pack. Oh, that's pretty funny. Well,
Oh.
what you got?
Don't know how to say it.
Titan.
That. Titan. Okay, 2 more.
2 more.
Try to get this.
What do we got?
Crimes of the Future.
On the mind of David Cronenberg. That'll be good.
This is the last one.
Last one. This one I see what it is.
Oh, I don't know how to say it.
Wormwood Apocalypse.
Wormwood.
I like the first movie, so can't wait to watch the second one.
I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you can get stuff like this too. Bye!